Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Elgato Cam Link 4K with your Sony A7 III. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to use your Elgato Cam Link 4K so that you can record your videos from your Sony camera straight to your computer. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and grab an HDMI to micro HDMI cable. So this is what it looks like. The HDMI portion is going to be inserted into the Elgato Cam Link 4K, just like that. And then you want to grab your Sony A7 III, and there should be an input that says HDMI right over here. So insert the micro HDMI portion there. Now, once you've done so, you want to grab your Cam Link 4K and plug it into your computer just like this. Now, once it's plugged in, we are going to use OBS as our example. So make sure you have OBS installed. Under sources, you want to click on this plus button and then click on video capture device. You want to click on video capture device, which is here, right click it, click on properties. And then for the device, you want to make sure that you have Cam Link 4K selected and then click on OK. Now, once you've done so, all you need to do is simply just turn on your camera and wait a couple seconds, and there you have it. Our Cam Link 4K is now connected with our Sony A7 III so that once we record video, it can be recorded straight to our computer. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Elgato Cam Link 4K with your Sony A7 III. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.